bring it back, bass drum. Energize, rocking to the maximum. Let's keep on fucking rocking. Check it. Lockdown, set the door in slam. Got caught driving, one time back. Went to the dealers, just for the stat. And now I'm in this motherfucking sinking pad. So, trying to block the judge, but he's not deaf. And I'm marching clean without a rap. Listen up, posse, not over yet. Energize on the microphone, say rock this fucking set, check. Checking this one inside. Where's all the fucking rivers, man? If you're not dancing, then you're not a raver. Energize on the microphone, you're lyrical commentator. Here to show you how it's done and lend a guiding hand. Shouting out my message from the MC stand. So listen up and I'll give a fuck. Energize gonna make you rock. Down and dancing, now get into it. Bassline coming on, check your shit. Jump, top, bassline popping, I call energy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, ready! Checking out this one, Ricky King fucking style. Energize on the microphone, making it wet, your YS. Jump, 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 jump to the top. That's it, that jump, that's it, that jump, that's it, the top, top. It's time to make you rock, stop. Giving out some about T-boys, feel about bitch, she come alive. Energize on the microphone, now bassline giving out to the bomb. And now we got you rocking to the energy. 1, 2, what do I take for keeping you ready? 1, 2, 3, you ready? Ricky King energy. Check it. Sing along with this one crew. And the energy to joys, and the energy to joy, and the energy to joys. Energize, joys. Checking out this cheesy one inside. This one's for the ladies. Check. Oh, say waka. This one's for my MC Reflex.
These are loving times.
FBI me. I wasn't getting caught, so